In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so please follow all these steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, signing up for Fiverr affiliate program can give you a lot of advantages, especially if you have a website, blog, or online presence related to freelancing, digital services, or entrepreneurship. Okay, because an affiliate of Fiverr, you can earn commissions for referring new customers to Fiverr. You receive a percentage of the purchase price when someone signs up and makes a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. All right. Also, it is known that Fiverr often has high conversion rates due to the wide range of services it offers, making it easier to convert referrals into customers. Fiverr is a global platform, and its affiliate program may allow you to target a global audience, increasing your earning potential. And your earnings as an affiliate depend on the number of referrals and the quality of your content. So if you can effectively drive traffic and conversions, you have the potential to earn more. Remember guys, as an affiliate, you don't need to manage product inventory, process orders, or provide customer support because Fiverr handles these aspects. And some Fiverr services are subscription based, and you can earn recurring commissions as long as your referrals continue to use these services. So how to become an affiliate of Fiverr? All you gotta do is go here at fiverr.com, and let's go here at the Fiverr affiliates. So you can choose your commission plan. So join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning. Okay. So what can you promote? One is Fiverr Logo Maker, Fiverr Affiliates, and Fiverr Pro. Okay? So these are the known benefits for being a Fiverr affiliate. Maximum earnings. You get paid for every first-time buyer with no referral limit and a lifetime attribution. Okay? Next one is a professional support. You can gain access to a professional support, tutorials, and dedicated affiliate manager. Intuitive dashboards, easy to use dashboards to launch, manage, and monitor campaigns, and creative resources. All right. So why not we check the commission rates here? Okay. So here's the detailed Fiverr commissions for affiliated. All right, here. So I suggest you go here at the Fiverr affiliates and sign up. It's free anyway. And once you've signed up, providing all your personal information, you will receive a confirmation email that you are now part of Fiverr affiliates. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.